Imagine making $500 a week just by using ChatGPT. No special skills, no upfront investment, just your creativity and this powerful AI tool. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick with me because I'll show you step by step how to make real money online using ChatGPT. But before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI money-making ideas. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choosing the right earning method. ChatGPT offers tons of ways to make money. Here are 3 high-paying ones. Show 1. Freelance Writing and Blogging. Many businesses need content, but they don't have time to write. That's where you come in. Sign up on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Offer services like blog writing, article creation, or script writing. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content quickly. Pro tip: personalize the AI-generated content before delivering it. Add real-world examples and unique insights to make it stand out. 2. AI-powered YouTube automation. You don't need to be on camera to start a YouTube channel. Pick a niche, like finance, tech, or AI. Use ChatGPT to write video scripts in minutes. Use tools like Pictory or InShot to create videos with AI-generated visuals. Upload your videos and start earning from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Many faceless YouTube channels make thousands per month with this method. 3. Selling AI-generated digital products. Did you know you can create and sell ebooks, guides, or social media templates without writing them from scratch? Use ChatGPT to create ebooks, planners, or digital courses. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Promote them using TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Passive income at its best. Step 2. Scaling to $500 per week. To reach $500 a week, you need to increase your output. Here's how. Offer multiple services. Don't just write articles. Offer product descriptions, emails, and social media posts too. Optimize your Fiverr or Upwork profile. Use AI to craft a catchy description and portfolio. Automate repetitive tasks. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Grammarly to work faster. The more you produce, the more you earn. Final thoughts. Making money with ChatGPT isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you follow these steps consistently, $500 per week is totally possible. Now, tell me in the comments what's your favorite method from this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more AI income hacks. See you in the next one.